Yo, what's going on today, guys? It's kq.trades, guys. This is one of my favorite videos I'm making right now. Today, we're back testing the MambaFX scalping strategy. So please stay in tune. Check it out, guys. Please follow step by step. I was confused for a very long time. And then when I started back testing it, started getting it, then I really started understanding it and locking in. So let's get this money. You guys already know, man. Let's get straight into it, all right? All right, so first, we're going to wait for market open, right? We're going to wait for New York time to open. So New York opens at 9 o'clock in the morning, right? Me being on East Coast, luckily, 9 o'clock in the morning, I don't got to get up super early. I got to get up at like 8, whatever, right? So what we're going to do is we're looking at 8 o'clock, right? It's about 8:45 right here on the time, right? So at 9 o'clock, we're going to mark our highs and lows of the previous session, right? So right now it's 8:45, right? You guys see at the bottom right here, it's 8:45, right? So we're going to hit play. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so now, what time is it? It's like 8:55. So we'll go back to 8:55 real quick. Boom. So now we're gonna mark our highs and lows of the last session, right? So if we look right here, our high was about right here. All right, I use rectangle boxes. Some people use circles. Some people use one line. I like using the box because no matter what, no price is never just a one line area. It's always in a section. You know what I'm saying? So we got our high, and then we'll come over here and mark our low down to the bottom. I'll put the low about like right here, so hit them wicks right there. We really want to see it break that. Put it up in here a little bit. Boom, boom. Okay. So now we marked our highs and lows, all right? So now we're going to look and see what the market structure. Some people can do market structure first. Some people mark their highs and lows first. I like to mark the highs and lows first, then look at market structure. Now looking at market structure, right? We're on the 5-minute. We're in a downtrend. So when the market is going down to the bottom right hand of your screen, you want to look for sales. If it's going up on the right, you want to look for buys, okay? This strategy is so simple, guys. Mark these highs and the lows of the previous section and check out market structure. And then we're going to move on, all right? So now we're going to look for a breakout in here. We're going to look for a break of this box, okay? So let's just see what we get, right? So now it's 9 o'clock. New York Stock Exchange just opened. Let's see what the traders are talking about. All right. All right, boom. We have our breakout right there. So now that we have our breakout, we are going to wait for the next candlestick. So we got our breakout on this red. This red wicked out of our box, broke this whole structure right here. Boom, boom, boom. Came up to this zone right over here. I'm going to start pointing to it like y'all can see. So now that we're still under our zone, right, I'm going to look for the next candlestick. So this green candlestick right here, I want this to close either under this line or in this box or under the box, because then it'll show that we are in for a sell. Now, if I'm looking for a sell, and this next candlestick closes above the box, I'll probably be looking for buys, or I won't take the entry at all, just because it's going against the market structure that I'm looking at, okay? So now that we have a candlestick right here behind it, right? So let me go back. Let me just go back a little bit. So boom, we broke our structure, broke our high for the previous session. Now we're gonna wait. Let me slow this down a little bit. So, all right. So now we're gonna wait. All right, we want to see a close. Okay, candle closes under the thing, okay? Under our zone. We are now going to go for a short position. So we would have got in on the close of that candle. So the close would have been about right here. We're going to put our stop loss a little bit above where market broke out at. And then we're going to put our take profit. I like using the Fibonacci for my take profit. So I'll put the Fibonacci at the previous low and put it at where we broke out at. And then I'll have my take profit at the 75% retracement line. That's how I like to do it. All right. So now let's see if we would have won this trade. This is an A+ setup trade. I wish I would have gotten this trade this morning. I still work a job, whatever. So it was a little hard for me to get in the trade this morning. But guys, check this one out right here. So boom. Price goes down, 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 boom. We smashed our TP, guys. So right now we're on mini. Boom. Oh my gosh, it kept smashing. I didn't even notice that. It kept smashing. You could have brought that trade down all the way to freaking boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? But I'm good with 75% line. I got 203 ticks, 203 on a mini. Let's say you're doing $10 each tick, 203 times 10. That trade was a $2,030 trade right there. $2,030, man. Come on. And guys, I apologize for me stopping and mumbling in my videos. I'm really trying to get better, so just check it out, guys. All right, so that was on NASDAQ. Now let's check one out on Dow Jones. All right, we are now looking at Dow Jones, guys. All right, so now it's 850 right now, right? So we're gonna mark our highs and our lows for the previous session, okay? So we can already kind of see where they're at easily. So boom, we're gonna go right here. Boom, we're gonna put our latest high low. Come down here, put another one right here. Boom, boom. So those are the zones I'm looking for breakouts on, guys. Those are the zones I'm looking for breakouts on, guys. We can even put a little mini zone right here because we got a lot of touches right here. You see how this just goes right through the middle of that, touches all this good space right here. So we always want to, I call that a sub zone. I always put something in the middle, blah, blah, because price will probably reject, do whatever it does right there, right? So now we're going to look for a breakout. So we already marked our previous highs and lows. What's market structure doing? Market structure is telling us we're in a downtrend on the 5 minute, guys. All right. So a lot of people use 1 minute, 30 minute for this too. I like sticking on the 5 minute just so I can see where market structure, boom. You should be switching from 1 minute. Me, everybody trades differently, guys. All right. So let's look for a breakout. Let's hit play. I mean, that could have been considered a breakout right here. Put this down right here. Yeah, that could have been considered a breakout right there. That's a real risky breakout right there. So let's see what it does. So candle still closed under it. Candle still closed under our box or in our box, but it was a very strong bullish. So this trade, I'm not going to risk too much on this one, but we're going to go in for a short because we're still under our box, still under our zone. All right. We're gonna take our stop loss, put it a little above the breakout, and we'll take profit. We're gonna get our Fibonacci. We're gonna boom, boom. Our take profit is gonna be on the 75% line right here, because that's where price most likely will reject that. So this trade is only about 58 ticks, guys. 58, so $580 on $10 a tick. All right. So I'm not risking too much on this one, guys. All right. So let's hit play. Boom, smack the trade easily like that, guys. Easily. Look how much it smacks, guys. Me, I like doing proper risk to reward because I don't have $1 million, $100,000 account yet, which we're trying to get to. Doing this strategy, you probably will. But look, if we would have took this trade all the way down to that box, boom, 94 ticks, guys. $940 in what? 10, 15 minutes, guys. It's not even 9:25. It's not even 9:30 yet, and we're already making about a band. You know what I'm saying? And then you still go to work for the day, hit the gym, do whatever you got to do, guys. You know what I'm saying? Stick to this strategy. I hope this video helps out a lot. Like and subscribe, guys. Like I said, this is really my first long format video. Guys, please like and subscribe, guys. If you want more content, I'm going to get better at talking, get better at doing what I do, guys. Check out this strategy. Try it out. Back test it. Let me know in the comments. Guys, it's super, super simple, guys. Peace.